What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Cubot X70. This one is a budget smartphone. This one comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. We can also expand the storage, and the main attraction of this smartphone is its rear camera. This one comes with a very good main sensor, and I'm super surprised by the performance of its main sensor. Well, let's go through this review. We will run some synthetic benchmark, we will play games, we will check camera performance, and we will talk about every aspect of this smartphone. But before that, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Let's start from unboxing. Well, let me quickly unbox the phone. After opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is Cubot X70. The phone comes with a pre-installed TPU silicon protective case. Underneath the X70, there is a thank you card in many different languages. And inside the card, there are some instructions, and also all the necessary support information is provided on this card. Inside the box, you will also get a 18-watt charger, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a USB-C based wired earphone. They have also provided a very nice SIM ejector tool. If you are worried about getting a user manual, you definitely will get a very good user manual along with a warranty card inside the box. Well, I really like the design language. Look at this. This glossy shiny rear and the color combination is futuristic. It looks like a premium gaming smartphone. Really, it doesn't look like a budget smartphone. Even if it's made of plastic, in hand it feels very premium. And this is actually a two-tone design. You can clearly see the rear panel and the frame aren't the same color. This two-tone color design makes it more elegant and posh. There is nothing on top, it's a clean slate. At the bottom there is a large speaker grill. The microphone and a USB-C port is also located at the bottom. All the buttons are on the right side. Volume rockers and power button all are placed on the perfect position. Fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button, so it's side mounted. SIM tray is actually located on the left side. X70 comes with a hybrid SIM tray, so we can use either two SIM cards at the same time or one SIM card along with a TF card. Cubot X70 comes with a 6.58-inch FHD Plus display panel. There is a water drop notch. This display panel comes with a very good resolution, 1080 by 2408. It supports 120 Hz refresh rate, and even if this is an IPS LCD panel, I have never felt like this is a LCD panel, cause this one performs like an AMOLED. I have felt like this one is even better than some other budget OLED panels. Colors are vibrant, white is very bright, black is truly dark, and even under heavy studio lighting, this one has offered very good brightness. I may have said the same thing for a few other budget smartphones, but this one is different. This one is definitely a bit better. Especially, it has a very good color calibration. As I have mentioned earlier, this one comes with a single loudspeaker at the bottom, but the performance is very good. Even at full volume, this one doesn't get distorted. Let's listen to some music and you decide by yourself. Personally, I am satisfied with the performance of the speaker.
She's a itty-bitty spider with a itty-bitty letter and a string jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live, creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and round, and ain't no telling what she might do next. She's a itty-bitty spider with...
The main attraction of this Cubot X70 is its rear camera performance. This one comes with a 100 megapixel main sensor, and this one performs beyond its price tag. I have tried to take some photos of my friend Lina with this Cubot X70 side by side with Poco F5 Pro. You can check by yourself. Then you decide which one has performed better. I would say the main camera performance of Cubot is even better than Poco. Okay, I know there are some people who always care about benchmark scores. Personally, I don't like Antutu benchmark, but if you care about Antutu score, here comes the score. Considering that this one is just a budget smartphone, Cubot X70 has got a very good score. What I like more about this device is this one never throttles. Cubot X70 comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. This one is one of the most powerful SoCs in its category. Helio G99 with 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, this Cubot X70 is truly a great performer. You know what? We can even expand the RAM up to 12GB. So altogether we have access to 24GB of memory. I have tried to play some games on this X70. I truly have enjoyed playing games on this smartphone. After playing games for hours after hours, I have never seen any throttling, I have never seen any hiccups or lags. This one offers a very good in-game experience. I think I should say very fluid and buttery smooth. Considering that it's a budget smartphone, Cubot X70 will get 9 out of 10 for gaming. This Cubot X70 comes with a 5200 mAh battery, and I think Cubot has managed to optimize the performance without using too much battery, because I have managed to get over 10 hours of screen on time from this Cubot X70 on a very busy day. The provided 18-watt charger also refills the fuel tank very quickly. It's not like many other budget smartphones which takes hours to get fully charged. This is the best part. Cubot X70 comes with stock Android 13 out of the box, no skin, no mess. Everything is very clean, and we have an option to expand the RAM up to 12GB. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is easy to use. It's very responsive and super fast. I have never felt any issues. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? I'm super surprised by the performance of this Cubot X70. Considering its price, this one really offers a very good performance. I think this one offers the best value for money in its price segment. I would like to know your thoughts and ideas about this smartphone. So please don't forget to make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. I have left a link of this Cubot X70 in the description box below. Go ahead, check that. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.